All right, enough me blabbing and stuff. Let's get this thing out on the road with the action camera and see how it performs and see if I make it back with the camera. Alright, here we go. I got the Neewer triple suction cup car mount mounted onto the back of my 2025 Mustang, and from inside the car where I'm sitting I cannot see my action camera, so if this thing flies off I'm gonna have no idea until I stop. Right now I have the audio going from the GoPro itself and inside the car, but in a second I'm going to cut to exclusively the audio inside the car because from the GoPro it's just going to be too windy once I get on the road. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the audio from the GoPro right now. Then I'm going to stick my hand out because I want you guys to see where I would have to get my head to actually be able to see that GoPro in the back of my car. So I am a little bit nervous, but what I'm going to do is go down to the highway and I'll see you guys in a minute when I'm getting ready to merge onto the highway. Here we are on the highway, really excited to get this thing on the road. Again, I have no idea if this thing is still there or not, so there's only one way to know. Go on the full drive and then stop and make sure that GoPro is still mounted there. I hope it's still there, but there's really no way for me to know right now. What I'm gonna do is take you guys on this really fun bridge that they just built in my area of the city. I have a ton of fun driving on this bridge. So we're gonna go ahead and head down there and get some really cool shots up on that bridge for you guys. We should be coming up here to it soon. These shots should be pretty darn cool in the back of my car if I can actually get this GoPro back when I'm done, but we'll just have to wait and see. I am really enjoying my new Mustang at this point, and I'm getting pretty close to the 3,000 mile mark. I cannot believe it already, but I'm gonna make sure to keep doing reviews and updates for you guys so you know exactly how my experience is with this car. Here we are getting to the bridge. I am so excited to get some awesome footage for you guys driving up on this bridge. You're really gonna get a nice shot of the city and what it looks like driving on this thing, and it's perfect right now because we are getting into the mid to late fall at this point, so the weather is really beautiful out, and I lucked out today because it is clear, sunny skies. Looks nice and blue today to match my nice grabber blue Mustang. But here we are getting up on the bridge. This is just the beginning of this drive, and honestly this is probably my favorite road to drive in my new Mustang. It's just so much fun getting up on this bridge, especially earlier in the day like it is today, and then even in the nighttime. It's a whole lot of fun seeing the city lights driving up on this bridge. So we're gonna keep going here, and keep in mind I'm following the laws, I'm following the traffic rules and regulations, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm not doing anything wrong here today. I'm not encouraging you guys to go out there, break the speed limit, or get in trouble, and if you do, it's not my fault. But you guys can see just how breathtaking it is driving this bridge up here. You get such an amazing view, and it's so much fun in this car. Right here is where the view really gets cool. You honestly cannot beat this view from pretty much anywhere else in this city. It looks absolutely amazing, and once they're done with all of the rest of this construction, it's going to be even nicer because you're not going to have to be staring at a bunch of cranes and a bunch of construction junk all over the place. But that could honestly take the next like 5 to 10 years at the rate of speed they move at here. Alright guys, here we are stopped now. The camera did successfully stay. I did not lose it, so I will officially be able to make this video for you guys. But this pole held up pretty good. Really no problems on this thing, and we'll have to see how the overall footage looks. Let me know what you guys think about the footage on this GoPro and Neewer triple suction cup car mount. Thanks for watching.